The giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis, is one of the most fascinating creatures to grace the planet. Its towering height, distinctive coat patterns, and unique physiological adaptations make it a subject of intrigue for biologists, ecologists, and nature enthusiasts alike. This essay explores the remarkable features of giraffes, their behavior, their role in the ecosystem, and the conservation challenges they face. A towering giant. The giraffe holds the title of the tallest land animal, reaching heights of up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, for males and 14 feet, 4.3 meters, for females. This extraordinary height is primarily attributed to their long necks and legs. Each giraffe's neck is composed of just 7 elongated vertebrae, the same number as most mammals, but they are significantly longer. This adaptation allows giraffes to reach high branches and leaves that other herbivores cannot access, giving them a competitive edge in the savanna's ecosystem. A towering giant. The giraffe holds the title of the tallest land animal, reaching heights of up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, for males and 14 feet, 4.3 meters, for females. This extraordinary height is primarily attributed to their long necks and legs. Each giraffe's neck is composed of just 7 elongated vertebrae, the same number as most mammals, but they are significantly longer. This adaptation allows giraffes to reach high branches and leaves that other herbivores cannot access, giving them a competitive edge in the savanna's ecosystem. Interestingly, despite the giraffe's impressive height, its heart is relatively small compared to its body size. The heart of a giraffe is about 2 feet, 0.6 meters, long and weighs around 25 pounds, 11 kilograms. It needs to be robust because it has to pump blood up through the long neck to the brain. To manage blood flow, giraffes have developed a specialized cardiovascular system, including high blood pressure and a complex network of blood vessels that prevent blood from pooling in their heads when they bend down to drink. Unique adaptations. Giraffes exhibit several remarkable adaptations that support their large size and lifestyle. Their skin is covered with a unique coat of patches that vary in shape and size, which serves as camouflage in their natural habitat. Each giraffe's coat pattern is as distinctive as a human fingerprint, and it provides a form of protection against predators by breaking up their outline in the dappled light of the savanna. One of the most captivating features of giraffes is their prehensile tongues, which are about 18 inches, 45 centimeters, long. Their tongues are a dark purplish color, which helps protect them from sunburn as they strip leaves from thorny acacia trees. The giraffe's tongue is also incredibly flexible and can grasp branches with precision, allowing it to navigate around thorns and access a variety of foliage. Social behavior and communication. Giraffes are known for their gentle demeanor, but they also exhibit complex social behaviors. They live in loose, fluid social groups called herds, which can vary in size from a few individuals to over 20. These herds are often formed based on social bonds and environmental conditions rather than rigid hierarchies. Communication among giraffes is less conspicuous compared to some other animals. While they are generally quiet, giraffes use a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, snorts, and even low-frequency infrasound that is below the range of human hearing. They also communicate through body language, such as necking, a behavior where males engage in combat by swinging their necks and heads to assert dominance. Feeding habits and ecological impact. The giraffe's feeding habits have a significant impact on their environment. They are primarily browsers, meaning they feed on leaves, shoots, and fruits from trees and shrubs. Their preference for acacia trees plays a crucial role in shaping the savanna landscape. By feeding on these trees, giraffes help prevent them from becoming too dominant and allow other plant species to thrive. Interestingly, giraffes have adapted to their herbivorous diet with a unique digestive system. They possess a 4-chambered stomach, similar to other ruminants like cows and sheep. This complex digestive system allows them to break down tough plant material efficiently. Giraffes also engage in a behavior called rumination, where they regurgitate and rechew their food to aid digestion. Reproduction and development. The reproductive cycle of giraffes is equally fascinating. Giraffes have a gestation period of about 15 months, one of the longest among mammals. When a calf is born, it is already approximately 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall, allowing it to stand and walk within a few hours. This early mobility is essential for the calf's survival, as it needs to keep up with the herd to avoid predators. Giraffe calves are born with short, ossicones horn-like structures on their heads that grow longer and more pronounced as they mature. These ossicones play a role in social interactions and, eventually, in combat during mating rituals. Conservation challenges. Despite their impressive adaptations and ecological significance, giraffes face several threats to their survival. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict have led to a decline in giraffe populations across Africa. Deforestation and agricultural expansion have reduced the size of their natural habitats, while poaching for their bones, hides, and meat remains a significant issue. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has classified giraffes as vulnerable, with some subspecies facing even greater risks. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of giraffes. These efforts include anti-poaching measures, habitat restoration, and community engagement to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Organizations like the Giraffe Conservation Foundation are actively working to protect giraffes and their habitats through research, education, and conservation programs. Fascinating facts about giraffes. Necking behavior. The term necking refers to the combat behavior of male giraffes, where they swing their necks and heads to strike each other. This behavior is not only a display of strength but also a way to establish dominance and gain access to mates. Sleep patterns. Giraffes have short sleep cycles and often sleep only a few hours a day. They typically sleep while lying down, although they can also sleep while standing. Their sleep is usually fragmented, consisting of short periods throughout the day and night. Visual perception. Giraffes have large, expressive eyes that provide them with a wide field of vision. Their eyes are positioned on the sides of their heads, allowing them to detect predators from a distance. Their height also enables them to see over long distances across the savannah. Social bonds. Despite their seemingly solitary appearance, giraffes form strong social bonds with other individuals in their herds. They engage in behaviors such as grooming and play, which help reinforce social connections and build relationships within the group. Tongue adaptations. The giraffe's tongue is covered in a thick, protective layer of papillae, which helps them grasp and manipulate leaves and twigs. Their tongues are also prehensile, allowing them to wrap around branches and strip leaves with precision. Coloration and camouflage. The giraffe's coat patterns are not only unique but also serve as camouflage in their natural habitat. The irregular patches of color break up their outline and provide protection against predators in the dappled light of the savannah. Heart size and blood pressure. The giraffe's heart is large and powerful to pump blood up through its long neck to the brain. To manage this, giraffes have high blood pressure, and their blood vessels are adapted to withstand the pressure and prevent blood from pooling in their heads. Conclusion. The giraffe stands as a testament to nature's ingenuity and the intricate balance of evolutionary adaptations. From its towering height and unique coat patterns to its specialized feeding habits and social behaviors, the giraffe is a marvel of the animal kingdom. However, despite its remarkable features, the giraffe faces significant challenges due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure the survival of this iconic species and to preserve the delicate balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. By understanding and protecting giraffes, we not only safeguard a magnificent species but also contribute to the health and diversity of our planet's wildlife.